Uh,
Die was lekker pimpel wat ek het moet met dat slap.
ek raas mos. Hi guys, so in today's video I want to show you how I trim my ends. I've been doing it since 2013 I think. So I part my hair into two sections. So I'm tying both parts, but this isn't the way I'm actually going to cut my hair. This is not my way of cutting my or trimming my ends, but I've seen people doing this. So I'm just showing you this technique, and I think it's more to cut your hair evenly. So this section in front I already trimmed earlier in the week because I made a quick tutorial for TikTok to just show how I trimmed my ends, but it wasn't a big deal because I knew I was gonna cut my hair anyways. So I didn't study hairdressing, or I'm not a hairdresser, but this is the way I trim my ends. This is my way, and we all have our own way of handling our hair or trimming our hair. So this is just how I do it, and it works for me. It has been working for me for years now. So you can definitely see the big difference between the two sections. The section I just trimmed feels so much smoother, and I'm really glad I did this because this was long overdue. So now I'm finished with both sections, and my hair definitely feels so much better, healthier and lighter. I don't feel any fairy knots anymore or split ends. So I'm really happy about this. For the last part or second last part, I would just take this section and trim my hair evenly, so when I do have a middle part, this hair is kind of the same length.